guys, and welcome back to my channel, where today I'm going to create a really pretty sunset eyes look for you guys. Now I've already got my eyebrows done, but everything else needs doing. So if you're ready, let's get going. Now, before we get started, I just want to let you know that I'm in no way, shape or form a makeup artist. I just really enjoy playing around with makeup, trying different looks, using loads of different products and just having a really good time with it basically. But if you want to try and recreate this look, then give it a go. If not, just enjoy the video. So the first thing you want to do is to prime and conceal your eyes. So I'm going to be using the Gosh Velvet Touch primer and also the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. Now it's really important that you do use primer and concealer for your eyes before you applying eyeshadow, because it really helps to keep that makeup in place all day, and it also helps the eyeshadow colour to pop as well. There we go. You just need a nice thin layer just all around your eyes like that. And then for the concealer, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a concealer brush and just fill up to the eyebrow. So now it's all on there, I just want to blend in a little bit more to make it a bit smoother and give myself a nice blank canvas to work with. And there we go, now we have the concealer and primer on there. It's now time to move on to our pencil eyeliner. I use the MUA White Eyeliner on my waterline. This helps to make your eyes look bigger and brighter. Then in the corners, I'm going to use the unique waterproof black eyeliner. So now we've done our eyeliner, it's now time to move on to using our palette. So today I'm going to be using the Proud Jolie palette. I really love this palette because it's so colourful and really pretty on the inside. It comes with a lot of matte shades and also some glitter as well. So as you can see, it's really pretty. And also I love the Jolie palette because they're so pigmented and you only need a little bit and it goes a long way. Now some people are quite scared of using colour, but I say don't be scared, enjoy yourself, find a colour that works for you and run with it. Just enjoy yourself and have some fun with it. I'm going to start with the darkest purple, which is Nadia. I use this above my crease and in the outer corner of my eye, creating a soft line upwards. Above this I use Jeffrey, which is a lush hot pink. I blend the two colours together to make sure the lines aren't so harsh. Then finally, on the top line, I use the bright yellow, which is Kath, and go right up to my eyebrow. Don't forget to blend. Blend is your friend. So now I'm going to be doing a cut crease. Now I know this scares a lot of people, but you've just got to be brave and show that eye who's boss. You are in control and all you need is some concealer and a concealer brush. To start my cut crease, I use a concealer brush and apply concealer to my lid. Make sure you get a good amount on there or you won't have a blank canvas to work with. Then you need to make the cut. I do this just above my crease line to give myself more space to work with. So now that I have my cut crease, I'm going to use the purple and pink to really blend in the corners, and then I'm going to take a really thin brush like this one and just do a nice line above the crease to make it nice and defined. Using the bright yellow, fill in the inner corner and the lid. I then use the bright orange Gok and blend the orange and yellow together on the lid. So now you've blended everything in and you've got some really nice soft lines, it's time to move underneath the waterline and fill them in with some eyeshadow just to make it a little bit more colourful. So now you've done all your matte eyeshadow, it's time to move on to your glitter eyeshadow, which is my favourite part. So we're going to be using today this lovely yellowy orange glitter, which is called Inclusion, and we're also going to be using the Expression, which is the dark purple as well. So I'm just going to use the Inclusion on the lids, just over the top of the yellow and the orange. So now we're going to use the purple glitter and just go into the corner, the outer corner, and give it a bit of a zhuzh. Now some people like to use glitter glue to put their glitter on, but I find with this glitter it really sticks really well without any. But if you wanted to use some to make it stick in place, you can do. Nice, so now we're going to go underneath to the waterline and just use those two glitters once again. Next up is liquid eyeliner. I like to use a nice liner pen, but you can use any type of liner you want. You can use gel or you can use liquid with a wand. You can use whatever you want. Just do a nice simple line across the top of your lid. Okay, so time to move on to lashes. Now I always get asked where I get my lashes from, and the honest answer is eBay. I know that may sound a bit weird, but I get them for an absolute bargain. They come in all different styles and they are so great because they last for ages. So yeah, get them from eBay. If you want the link, I can put it down in my description below. In fact, I'm going to put everything that I've used in this video in the description below so you can get it if you want to. To apply, I use Duo Clear Glue. I have really sensitive eyes and find this is the best glue for me. Apply a thin line on your lashes, then stick them on as close to your real lashes as you can. I use the end of a makeup brush to help me apply the glue and place the eyelashes. Once you're finished, make sure to apply mascara to both the top and bottom lines. So once you're happy with your look on one side, it's time to move on to the other side. So it's really starting to come together now, but to make it even more fun and exciting, we're going to add some little star gems to the eyes. So all you need for this is some gems, and you need your eyelash glue from before as well. And that is it for your eyes. So now I'm quickly going to apply the rest of my makeup. So I'll see you in a little bit. And there you go. That's my colourful sunset eyes look. I hope you love it as much as I do. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Bye.